Did you brush your teeth? Good. I'll go check your crack. This is my laundry. I'm going to check your crack if already boiled. Plus, tapos na yung crack. Nabasag ko yung glass.
Glass?
Yeah, nahulog yung Ayan.
Ay, naku, mami.
Kailangan kong bumili ng cabinet ng shoes kasi full na dito, tapos full dyan. Pinuno mo kasi dyan eh. Yung lagay ng sapatos. I-fix mo yung sandal mo dyan.
Dapat kasi may cabinet ng shoes.
Oh, mag-order na lang ako. Online. Yung mas malaki.
Oo, pag may
Okay, magsalita. Ba't ka nag-whisper? Yeah, pag nagsahod. Bakit ka nag-whisper?
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, come. Magsuklay ka.
No need.
Bakit no need? Kailangan mo magsuklay. Ayaw niya magsuklay porque madulas yung hair niya at malambot. No need daw. She don't need to comb her hair. Shuhada.
Can you give me the glasses, please? And my phone, please.
Hindi ka pa nag-thank you.
Thank you.
Still early, so I will go back to my bed. I will sleep again until her bus will come. Going na, baby?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, see you
Bye.
later, Bam. Study hard, baby. Focus.
Bye.
Listen to your teacher.
Bye, mommy. I love you.
Okay, love you too. See you later. I will watch her. I will watch her from the window. And I will stay under the sun. I think andyan na yung bus ng baby ko. Yeah. The school bus of my daughter is here already. Yeah. morning. Thank you for tapping. Let's drink coffee. Good morning, guys. I'm in the morning. I'm in the morning. Nakatulog ako ng at least 1 hour. Nasa school pa yung anak ko. Nasa school pa si Alia. So now magluluto ako ng lunch namin. Adobong atay ng manok. Ito ang lulutuin ko ngayon. Adobong atay ng manok. Tapos maglaga ako ng itlog. So, let's start na. Let's cook muna rice. First, let's cook rice. Cooking rice before I will cook adobong liver nagutom ako sa vitamin na tinitake ko. Kaya, nagluto ako. Napaluto ako ng maaga. Mas gusto ko yung yung pinipit na bawang para mas parang mas na yung niya katas na. Kasi yung i-slice nila mas maganda pinipit para lumabas yung katas na. Mamayang 26 darating na yung anak ko from school. Sigurado, hindi na naman yung mag-uulam ng luto ko. Magpapaluto yun ng fried egg. Ayaw niya ng atay eh. Pero try kong pilitin kumain ng atay kasi parang anemic siya kasi yung labi niya putlak. Hindi kasi kumakain ng gulay. So try kong pilitin kumain ng atay. Napapansin ko, pasain siya. Sa bagay, ganun din kasi yung tatay niya eh. Madaling, pasa yung balat. Pag nauntog ko, pasa agad. Pinipit ko yung bawang tapos ini-slice ko. Pinipit ko na tapos ayan. Pinipit ko. I think I will put ginger also to remove the smell. Okay, I will put little ginger for, to remove the smell. kasi malansa yung atay. Tapos gusto ko may patatas sa dito. Gusto ko I like potato. The adobong atay ng manok. Okay. Tama siguro. And now I will put the chicken liver. That who?
It's me.
Aywa. Welcome back home. Buli assalamualaikum.
Me.
Assalamualaikum. Aywa kalas. How is the school?
We have exam today. It's math.
Math?
Yeah.
Oh, baka maaga ang bakasyon nyo ngayon.
Maybe.
Baka the school will finish early because it's Big Eid na next month. Okay. So how was the exam?
Good.
Hmm?
Good.
You know the answer? Did you answer good?
Yeah.
Hmm? Lawal na.
Yay.
I cook adobong liver.
Mommy, can you order the changus for my school, the baon, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So where you will put that?
That one?
Where the slipper? Where your slipper?
Yes,
Where you wear the slipper, baby? Mag-slipper ka na kasi mainit yung paa mo. Ano yung sticker sa kamay mo? What's that sticker?
it's from the Arabic teacher.
See, show me. Wow, for what?
Me, Alia, and me, Alia Josim, and Sheikha, and Abrar, Alia Josim read the, for...
Arabic? You read the Arabic, what? Quran?
No, only Alia Josim and yeah.
Oh, why? I said, wear a slipper. Why you are... Bakit ka naghuhubad? You'll change na? She's hungry from the school. Now she's eating adobong atay ng manok. Hungry from the school. Eat ka na ng... Ay,